Hey everyone, welcome back to CellWave. Today we are checking out the Motorola Razr Plus, a foldable phone that's turning heads. If you're into the latest tech and sleek designs, stick around. Foldable phones are making a big comeback and the Motorola Razr Plus is leading the way. Let's dive into its top features and why it might be the perfect phone for you. The Razr Plus has a sleek foldable design with a 6.2-inch OLED main display and a 2.7-inch external display, perfect for checking notifications or taking selfies. Powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, the Razr Plus ensures smooth performance. And with a 2800 mAh battery, it easily lasts a day of moderate use. With a 48 megapixel main camera and a 20 megapixel front camera, the Razr Plus captures stunning photos and video. The external display also doubles as a viewfinder for high-quality selfies. Check out the Retro Razr mode for a nostalgic interface and handy gestures like double twist to launch the camera. So, is the Motorola Razr Plus the foldable phone for you? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech review. Thanks for watching.